guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be installing long tube headers on my 2007 Mustang GT. We already have the engine bay torn apart a bit. I already got most of the upper bolts cracked on it, so they're not on there like stuck. This is what we're going to be installing right here. BBK Longtube headers. We got the BBK high hook head, shorty X pipe for it. And I'll get back to you guys when we're under the car. Alright guys, I'm back down under here. We just got the starter off here, and now we're going to start working on taking off the mid pipe here. Alright guys, we're back here. Got the passenger side manifold off here. Ryan's here trying to get this last one up in the top here. This last bolt won't come out. It's being a pain. So after that, it should be pretty straightforward to put back together. Alright guys, we got the long tube headers in here, both sides bolted down. And then we're going to be reattaching motor mounts and, you know, just checking all the bolts and stuff, and lower the motor back down on, and reassemble everything, and then we'll have a startup clip. Alright guys, it's a different day now. The long tube install went way too long. We ran into some just little issues that just took up a lot of time. Car's all good to go. I absolutely love them. The car's super deep now. We're gonna get a cold start here in a second for you. The car is definitely faster. All around it's just awesome, and the high RPMs, it screams. It's not as loud in the low RPMs like regular driving, which I like, for the fact that like my ear, your head starts to hurt after being in a loud car for a long period of time. So here, we're gonna get a cold start right now. Alright guys, we're gonna go on a drive here so you guys can experience it with me as we go and see what it sounds like while driving. Gonna get some, like regular driving clips, and then get some, pulls and kinda on it, stuff like that. You'll be able to pick it up on video, but I've got some coins in my cup holders that like to rattle, so just try and ignore that. Right now we're cruising in 5th gear doing 45. It's really quiet in the car, it's not loud. Windows are up. Right here we're gonna go ahead and get like a nice little acceleration. personally think this car in the high RPM sounds like an NASCAR in person. I personally believe that video doesn't do like in-person justice for this car. It's so awesome. It turns heads everywhere. And now my car, like when we go and do aftermarket cams and boost, the car's gonna be able to breathe well, so it's just all around awesome. Giddy ups and goes pretty well. First gear is really fun in this car. It's definitely, it has more power because now it likes to spin first gear all the time with traction control on. It didn't do that before. It just sounds awesome. Like, I can't get over how good it sounds. At first, I was a little like disappointed that regular driving, it got a little quieter, but now that I've drove it for probably a week now, I really enjoy it. But I'm just gonna stop talking here and let you guys listen.